You know the drill. I just have to promote my website so I can pay for the mortgage. Ugh, mortgages hold back people from spending time on their art. Sad but true. Here it is. Go to portraitartacademy.com for educational videos, ebooks, and a like-minded community. The link is in the description below. In this video, you will learn about axis lines and how they can help you draw a face. So an axis line is basically a symmetry line down the middle of the face, and this photograph is a perfect example of that. Those lines are very important because even though someone's face may not be completely symmetrical, it's always a little bit symmetrical. You know, we know that the distance from the one eye to the nose is typically about the same as the distance to the nose from the other eye. So this distance right here is about the same distance as here. And the nose is also equally symmetrical in most cases. The mouth, sure, it depends on how she smiles or what she does with her mouth and facial expressions. But if she is just looking emotionless at the camera, it's usually pretty symmetrical. And those lines are very important for you to determine where the facial features go. So this axis line divides the face into two symmetrical or almost symmetrical parts. The hair is different, of course. It's not always symmetrical. And then there's these eyes that go on this line. Usually one eye is not a lot above the other eye, so it's also pretty symmetrical. And then the eyebrows, the same thing. The ears usually end up here from the top of the eye down. And then they'll go down. This is the same line where you can put the nose, or sometimes a little lower or higher, but usually it's around the bottom of the ear. And then same thing with this. You can draw all these lines, which can help you determine where the facial features go and make your portrait not look like a monstrosity.